Milliken family, will you please come here? Please. Will you please come gather here for photo? Yeah, for a memorial photo. Yeah, Pastor is already here with me. Otherwise, standing tall, please. But I kindly come. Yeah, here where. Yeah, besides the flags. Yeah, immediately after that photo, we're gonna invite the rest of other people also to come and join.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, those in the kitchen, kindly just give me one minute to come along. Sister is here waiting for you. Albert and Michael, come. Oh, Jesus. Let us not take a minute, please. Just 1 minute. Thank you. Yeah, I can see how you're coming. Thank you. So can I now request Pastor Eddie to bring our guest here for a group photo. Yeah, you can now bring your cameras. So just bring your cameras for a clear photo. First, let us have Milliken family, then the rest shall we join after. Thank you. Editing the photo, please. I don't love photos so much, but when my presence is around, I always yearn for them. But we can't take a photo without you. Please. Yeah, that's really position. Thank you.
What you need is that photo.
Okay, thank you. Now let's have the